Now the truth be that we cannot sit down and people they die. Well, when the man shout that thing for Senate, the thing go viral at that time. But eventually, everybody just another talk, Jerry. That this country, the way we they easily move on from things. Now God go save us. All right, that's not the song of Rugged Man, aka Rugged Ibaba. He called that one "Change." The latest jam he dropped some about over a month ago, and of course it features Percy King inside, and you just enjoy it from here, the headquarters of the hottest Nigerian music and artists, who they call here Naija FM 102.7. You also hear the song of another rapper, Vector, in latest jam we call License, and before then we give you Man the Man, the remix by Small Doctor, where Small Doctor feature Davido inside. 3 minutes on past 12 o'clock this beautiful Thursday afternoon, October 7, 2021. Welcome to Workchop, the hottest midday show for radio. With me, the first voice, Godwin Aruwayo, my partner, Lady Jazzman, the one of Naija FM. Lady J, how you there now?
Are they hungry?
Well, congratulations. So try eat, eh? If I say you even feel hungry, it means say your system they walk well. You know, get some people say that they're hungry and defect. So you're hungry, congrats.
Why go tell me congrats?
But try eat also. Food important. You understand? Good. You can call Nasiru or Favor or David. There are not people there to send message for this office. So nice one, eh?
Today
na Thursday. Okay, so but you sleep well, Sha?
You sleep
I light before on our side.
Well, light day.
Why you sleep no do you not sleep quick?
I sleep quick. I can't wake up. Can't sleep back. You know that thing I explained to you. So it be like say I go need a few days to
no
they normal.
Okay, I understand. Sorry, Bele. You understand? You know, so the first thing where our guest, but where I mean the legend waiting for studio tell me when I see my belly big pass for Instagram because I do long throat for nights throughout the night. I just turn up and down around 1-2 a.m. I no fit sleep, so I can't go find what I go eat. Enter kitchen check, fridge open. The next day I don't go carry juice, carry biscuits, begin to eat. You know,
and you trouble your belly, Abi?
You not trouble my belly really, but as I wake up this morning, I know say I do long throat. You understand? I know that one. Okay, but all the same, we thank God say we don't wake up see another brand new day, and we they give you the best of radio entertainment. Today na Thursday, so normally we do old school Thursday every Thursday from 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock. Then after 1 o'clock we'll come do entertainment gist and trending gist. Between 2 and 3 o'clock we do Sabi Your Partner husband and wife game show, and then from 3 to 4 we'll give an updates from what they happen for the country, and I said the other entertainment gist plus. Play you some great music. So old school Thursday today now special because this person with the studio and somebody who I don't admire for a very long time. The first time I see him, I think in 2006, but you don't know. They inside studio with the late OJB Jezri Jiga. He enter studio, come meet Jiga. He just come open door. He and Jiga just greet. So me and him greet. He just greet. So say imagine how I be 2006. A young way.
All of us still there.
But already that time, already they look and say, but this guy entered the studio like this. You know, I did with Jiga that time. He can't come out, you know. But now then they rain that time, and of course, that's how we get absolute pleasure to introduce to now. You get one of the hottest songs where anybody don't drop for this country in the last 25-30 years. And of course, now absolute pleasure to get the one and only.
Before you call him name, get one of his songs. I think that Shake It. What did with the line way off me when he say the babe they smell good like fried chicken. I'm gonna say how person could they smell like fried chicken? Why you know they work for kitchen?
Jazzman Olofin there inside the studio.
Yeah.
No clap for Jazzman Olofin.
Clap for him, oh.
Jazzman, how would they do?
Lady
J, somebody don't affect our clap.
Ew.
I go see. You don't come back. Welcome, Jazzman Olofin.
Jazzman.
Thank you.
Jazzman, this studio now they do old school Thursday. In fact, like that, I don't do Instagram live like this for Instagram. I don't go at Godwin Aruwayo. I say once see Jazzman face, just enter there, go put the camera. You know, Jazzman another vampire for the industry. You know, say we tell the late sounds or times you know they old. I don't know, Jazzman never change. You know they old. Yes.
They know they old.
I see them be that you get a generation of guys, rugged man. They need the old. They remain the same. Their body structure, their whatever. But welcome to Naija FM, Jazzman.
Thank you.
Okay, so I thank you. I not really hear now. We bless your man.
I did thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma.
Okay. Jazzman, how far are waiting there? Where you day since?
I did Planet Art now.
The planet.
Well, you come quiet.
I mean, what man go do now? You just hold your side.
Nah, so
do your thing.
okay, Jazzman. First of all, we'll start first. The first two I go ask you, why your name be Jazzman Olofin?
A long story, Jari. That time, man, again one time. I think that year 2000. I go on school that time. This school they go when, if you go from secondary school straight to university,
yes,
you got to go do
Jamba and all those
things. To pass well, that kind of thing.
Or GCE and all those things. Or externals.
So that one school for Ogba there. So so I deal with boys now. So they come to say I get interested for music. So that time, Jazzy Jeff, Jazzy this and that, they ran Jazzy B.
Yes.
That time, that time, But anyway, so the whole thing just died down. But I couldn't enter Unilag for school. So they come to say this guy, in Waka, maybe they quiet at the same time, anything fit happen, unpredictable, colorful, whatever, maybe I they talk jargon, they make sense at the same time, So they can't come up with the name of they can't say, okay, I'm Jazzy, for English, when something is jazzy, it's something that is colorful, it's attractive, and yet it can be something we say understand. So so everything can end with Jazzman.
Jazzman, okay. so the Olofin and your name?
Yeah, that's my name.
What be your real name?
My real name be Olumuyiwa Olajide Olofin Kwade.
Olofin Kwade. You relate to you relate to any of these Yoruba royal people?
No, I don't know. I don't think so. No, if you begin, me I'm from Ekiti State.
Okay.
And I know say plenty of Olofin in Lagos State.
Yeah.
Who knows? So me, I be Olofin Kwade.
Okay.
I know say we get Olofin Jana, Olofin Makin, Olofin that.
Yeah. Okay.
So I don't call maybe.
What's that name Olofin? What do you mean exactly?
Olofin, I think it's a bit. The thing is attached to
royalty.
Something like that,
Okay.
So. If make I explain my own, me Olofin Kwade, it's like saying it's welcoming the royalty, the king or whatever,
Okay.
That's in a native language. It sounds like that. Then you can pronounce Olofin Kwade. You can pronounce it Olofin Kwade. If you say Olofin Kwade, it also means you are saying you are greeting the king with his crown.
Okay.
Is crown.
Okay.
Olofin Kwade.
Olofin
Kwade.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, wow, okay.
So many ways to explain it, I beg.
Okay. So I they go through some of your interviews. Before we enter inside some of the songs where you don't offload. The question when I ask you, I say where you don't say, we will hear anything from you.
Yeah.
And as they see interview where you been get with some news story people. And the headliner say your career no dey dead. So somebody, maybe people don't they talk say who don't they go around say be like say your career don't die. So wetin bring about that parole?
The person will write he asked me maybe one simple question. Then maybe you want make people read the news. You can't go write the caption
like that.
So that people
go
read
buy the paper,
his story in an interview about me, and which to me they wrong. But then me, I don't really bother myself. People can want me to talk. People can interview you, but they find something where they think say could they either flash you or embarrass you to use as the head of the they call it caption. So that people begin they say this guy is sick. They say this guy say broke. They say this guy they. But if they say this guy maybe just do something very good. Maybe people feel they bored. Or maybe this guy he dey house, so he just a cheat. They do faji every day. Every time they do faji, they chop suya, beer, everything. They go sit down one day boring.
So now the catchy headline
today. Saying they drive in car bash. More reader, people go begin.
Exactly.
So maybe that's why.
One get belle for him.
Get belle for him. Wife don't pack clothes, come out. Come give her 2 slaps before enter cab. That na sweet news.
Jazzman, when you start music, tell us the genesis or how you enter music. I know say you say you start when you dey Unilag, but when you can't decide to take the matter professionally.
That time I don't know. You know, say, you think most of the time it's inborn. You know, when I grew up, there was a time, you know, I know my papa no day around, my mama no day around, and sometimes I was sent from Lagos to go and stay with my uncle in then Ondo State. You know,
Okay.
it wasn't separated. So I could just sit down for outside. They listen to my uncle's, you know, those radio when they get cloth. When they go so Shokoto and Buba for, you could not put on for outside. So nobody must change the channel. I go they listen to music from. I go just wait outside. Maybe the cars where they pass by. Maybe now my papa can. Maybe they go just appear. So from there you listen to music while you're just sitting. You start building.
Okay.
Start building. You know, there's more. I begin like the Michael Jackson, Eleanor Richie, Barry White. I begin, you know, then a bit of Ike Dairo, the King Sonny Ade. My father, when I come back Lagos, my papa go play King Sonny Ade music. You go the hear am for like maybe 10 miles. The whole neighbor go wake up say, Papa don't buy no latest business be. So, you know, enjoying lyrics, solid lyrics word. That's why the first step where I take in music now songwriting, not be singing, now songwriting.
Okay. So which song be the first song where you write?
First song where I write, man, I feel remember so. Plenty. I wrote plenty.
So okay. Make I adjust the question. The first set of songs where you write, which one be the most one where you remember first? Okay, which song be the major song where first bring you out? Say you get one guy you record Jazzman alone at this song.
And it's something I do with my. You know that time we with this school. When I enter school, I just that's Unilag. I met some guys. They don't year 3. So they get their own group. So
Okay.
they don't begin the simplify entire school that time. So when they come to say, me I want to join, they gonna say they don't want anybody else, so they will kill. They can't realize how they write songs, so they were not interested. You know, these guys they were Nick, Folu Obasa and Lexidu.
Okay, let's do a part of them.
Part of we call us
Okay.
each other X appeal.
Okay.
Four
okay.
of us.
Okay.
So anyway, the song where I write for them, I don't write a lot of songs for them or for us rather, but the song where I write that time before I go south for Yobe State, be Omo wa Shorishe.
Okay.
Omo wa Shorishe. Ori kò lè ṣe. Ọmọ wa ṣe oríṣẹ́ ṣẹ́rí bó ti ń ṣe. XOP won't stop till the break of dawn.
I remember the song.
Down with feature Plantation Boys.
Yeah. Okay, you feature
Two-Face
Plantation Boys
Skinny get well
inside.
that time.
Okay.
Blackface black well.
Two-Face dry where I don't
Yeah,
that
Face
time.
said,
And
that
he get
time.
head.
He
And he
never-
get
he
head.
They
never
get
fresh.
big at that time.
And he
Feature
get head
Plantation
that
Boys.
time. One funny punk like this.
Produced by OJB. That was the song that I just.
Okay, now OJB produced that song that
Yeah,
time.
yeah.
Okay, so how you take meet OJB?
I met OJB that time. I did talk to my friend that time. Say we want produce song. So the guy be what do you mean? And the guy name be Stewart. I think that's Stewart. His name is Stewart. I think the guy they do rock music that time.
Who's still that fair guy?
Fair guy.
Yellow,
But
tall.
Yellow, not so tall.
I
but
know-
maybe tallish.
I know Stewart. Yes, I think I know
Stewart.
Stewart.
You know, smooth face, fair guy like that. So now time he say, get one guy, we sabi do job. Are you sure you can't carry me go? I just enter JB studio. I just say, he play me one song, play me 2 songs, play me 3 songs. I just say, man, Lexi, we dey work with this guy. That time, me and Lexi do remain.
Okay, for the group.
XRP group out
Yeah.
of 4. Just say, man, we dey work with this guy. And so it's sabi work, you know. So
That's all I think.
that should have been maybe 98,
99.
99.
Okay, so fine. We'll go break. When we come back, we get some questions. So we ask everybody, like the first major show where you perform when they pay you money. You tell us and how much that money be. Then you go tell us how you take make this song. What they call the magic of Raise the Roof. How the song take come about, Raise the Roof. I know saying OJB still producer. So we go talk about Raise the Roof. How you take song take come about, the person where you feature, all those things. And then we'll go talk more about albums and all those we don't get in the past. And also currently, You get new jam we don't drop. We go talk about that one and music in general as it be today.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
somebody drop message for WhatsApp. They explain wetin Olofin. He say Olofin na chief wey dey very close to the king.
Okay.
Yeah.
Chief wey dey close to,
It's
okay.
all royalty. Olofin.
Okay.
Okay.
Now speaking of your family, get one time you post for Facebook. You say sleep dey catch you. Say your daughter come meet you, say make you spell A. So you don't wonder for your mind how you want to spell the A. And na sleep dey catch you, na sleep you won't sleep, but your daughter say you must spell egg. You remember that post?
Yeah, I think so.
I see him. I see him.
Okay. So before we ask Jazzman, this guy say Godwin, why they look like that? I don't know what anybody look like that. I enjoy the music. You understand? What be that your name? He say Godwin, why you look like that? He bet you on name for Instagram. Say Godwin, why they look like that? Godwin, you look good today. I love this your cap. Thank you very much. Baba, why they look like this now? I don't know what he means. Soft man, Adamative. Thank you very much. Like I talk today for Instagram at Godwin Arroyo. Now, those of 9 want see Lady J face. The camera there for her face. And I was make I see Jazzman now. Okay, you go see him. See Lady J face. We go put on what Jazzman now. So Jazzman, what we talk about? How many albums you get?
Yeah, I got about 5.
Five.
Then with couple of singles.
Singles, all right.
I've been dropping singles. I've been training for a while now. Even
Which-
this Shade was a single.
Yeah.
I have,
Yeah. Which album is your first album?
my own, my
Personal
first
own.
album
Yeah.
with the group.
Okay.
With Big Mess with Lexi with
Okay.
Lexi Duke, with
So
XOP.
the 5 way you count now, both the one with the group and your own individually.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
So
My first album is Boiling Point.
okay. Which
When
year
I
you dropped that
dropped
one?
in year 2002/3.
Okay. Okay.
So that was Raise the Roof. Then
Okay.
after
That album then get raise the roof inside.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. After that, I dropped, I think, Mr. Funky,
Okay.
the one that has Shake Something,
Yes. Okay.
Mr. Funky. And after that, I dropped I think that one again. No, is it Ready to Go?
Okay.
Ah.
Okay. Okay, fine. So more we talk about that first album. We get Raise the Roof. How Raise the Roof they come about?
Yeah.
What
that one.
inspired that song and how? Because the song heavy and of course now the legend he said Jiga na him producer, but how na take to make the song you and OJB and I come put no be Ayuba dey inside.
Yeah.
Okay, so tell us everything and how Raise the Roof they come about.
No, that time, after I don't finish with X Appeal, I don't want to sing again. I want make I just do production, songwriting, which I like in the very first place.
Okay.
So I just relaxed. Then I begin get different views about music and how I want work music. No, apart from being a singer, because like I said, I wasn't. I don't tired to sing all this sing. So, out of curiosity, I begin waka. I waka with Dewale Ayuba for a while. I think I just begin roll with them, and we started by. I started rolling with Ayuba when I met him one day. When I met him at one place, and I told him that I hear him say I want feature him for one song.
Okay.
One of our XP songs. He can say okay, we will see. Give me number. So later we will come see Sha. Eventually, I will feature for your album instead. The bottom line, we can't become friends, Sha. So I begin work out with time. I go in shows. I begin hear drums, strange drum. This one African drums, omele, gong, talking drums, also drums. I got interested. The guy go the rock music. I go see fine babes, all these hip hop babes. They go they dance in music, and I was like, this is music too now. I don't have to be like Boss to Me or Judici 100% before I make sense and I make music now. And I love the Nigerian. Now after I can work out with that for a while, I can't say okay, you know what? Make I consider make I enter studio. Now OJB come talk say, hey now, forget all this songwriting for people. You sing. You say you don't want to sing again, you sing. It took me like 2-3 years to decide. I can't say okay. I listen to all kind of music. I listen to reggae, rock, metallic, high life, agidigbo. Any music that is good music, I will listen to it. Even if I don't hear the language. I can't say okay, make I just blend Fuji music with rock.
Okay.
Fuji and rock. With a bit of maybe hip hop beat, but Fuji and rock. I can't discuss now with OJB. So we can say, okay, let's see how it goes. Because every time I get from I can't hum that line. Dun 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 dun. I don't get that thing for it.
Well,
for years before I don't, So you can't try and you can't do the beat. Can't put the rock guitar. As I want, make hard rock. So now Ayuba was like a bit skeptical. He could talk, say, it doesn't go work. So we will play live drums. I say, Baba Mo doing like this. Say this one, we need to go analog studio. This one, computerized studio, digital.
Yes.
Doing that. So, bottom line, I can't invite Chief Ayuba to the studio. You be at that time. When Ayuba can't even be asleep that time. I say, yeah, wake up, oh. I don't land. Let's say I will go do this thing. Came that studio shot, Ayuba had my part. So you can't say I can't hum the chorus for him.
Okay.
How many can enter? So you can't enter. Think on the flow. They can't begin to tell that thing when they always sing for stage that time. If I follow and go shows where you go to get good. The bass go to spray and go there. Majo, fine girl. Hey, Lady J, Lonjo, Lady J, I will Godfrey, no, hey. So I can't say, okay, Baba, that your lines, we will play some on these hip hop beats. Let's arrange that. It will make sense. So, you can't sing on patch. I think it will make sense. So, the rage rules.
And then the rest of the can't take over by that time. So
the rock guitar.
Yeah. So you surprised at how big the song can grow eventually.
Yeah, I surprised because the thing be like for me now like experiment. Like experiment. The way you gonna blow back. Now what you be going to say? You talk one time, say you go do music, we go loud. You don't forget you say you talk. I say yeah, so you talk now. He said nothing can happen so. The song blow, even it blow past me self. Everybody begin dance, but they don't know my face. I never see my shoot video. Now I begin to run around, they say, yeah boy, everybody, any way you get, I shoot the video. Maybe I see my face, say,
now this
person
person
but it didn't don't rock, people don't rock the songs.
Everywhere.
This Jazzman. So thank God, Sha. That time no easy, but say you can't. If you visit for house.
Yes. Yeah.
Push music, make people they dance.
So eventually you shoot the video.
Yes, now.
Okay.
Time now.
Okay, so
everything just blend.
Okay. So which show be before we play that Raise the Roof and then come back and talk about your new jam and then which show you go say be the first major show you perform and what be the first amount of money they pay you as an artist?
Personally or with
personally?
XRP.
Personally.
Personally, the first money I collected that time must have been maybe 2000 must have been maybe 2000, maybe 4-ish around that time, Sha. That time my papa see this skeptical. For me to do music, I had to leave house.
Ew.
Yeah, I had to leave house.
You don't support your music?
Yeah, at first I left house. At that time, Baba stubborn, me said stubborn. See me I wait, make I not do music, I finish. I graduate.
School and everything,
if I graduate, you go support me. As I graduate, finish, you can say, Bobby, I say, go join police without your uncle. About far now. Don't be police, me how you talk now. Because thing just scatter. He says, I all leave house. That kind of thing. So, I they come out once in a while, go they look me and say, this is the way they say they rap, they sing. We go say, so one day, I did with them. So if this phone call, say, hey, one show like that too. Say they need me, say, I come quick. Now I run. As I reach the company, that time internet today.
Yeah, not today. Yes.
Android today. Is that you watch TV or you don't miss the thing?
Yeah, don't miss them.
You can't watch video that time. As I reach the company, the man will get come to say, boy, now you sing that song. Yes. Look me from top.
Down like.
Say you sing that song. I say yes, sir. You can't look one of him boys. So you talk. The guy was supposed to negotiate. You know, saying your guy not supposed to be there.
Yeah.
But now out of excitement, the guy wants to see my face.
The person sing the song. Okay.
You can't look him, but say, tell him, act out. If you want to show for somewhere for Oshun, can't say how much you will collect. And I know say every time you go, if you talk price, you go begin negotiate. Out of say me, I just
talk price. Make them because they say they're gonna negotiate come down.
Now I talk. I just talk 100.
100.
100K.
100K.
100,000. Me, I never collect 50. I never even collect 30 that time. I just 100. Meanwhile, they shake say, you don't mess up. They go chase you come for here. Now the guy won't begin playing part. Make your guy there happy, say negotiate, he break me down. Say, I will go give you this. Now your guy look the boy. Give him what you want. Guy waka go.
A guy just me then give you the 100.
He looked in staff. Say, oh boy, not to talk with this guy. I want him by all means. Oh boy.
That you can't always say he talk 200.
Now I reach out. Now I begin to feel big. Now Papa ask me, the meeting go. I say, they okay, no wala. Papa can say, 100K. Papa can look me well again. 100K to do it to sink. Oh boy.
That's what it is.
The money that time, like I'm on a big money that time.
So yes, now.
You know, so but go flex now, collect money, buy baths, everything. You know.
You know, I did look your video, your Raise the Roof video on top of YouTube, and you get like over 50K views.
Yeah.
As at 50K views. Now you get on top your video.
Yeah.
You know, say in those days when this song come
people
out,
don't get access.
YouTube,
no access.
No YouTube,
no access.
So
that time
no social media.
You know social. You know if you buy now. That time you know if you just buy more than naira data. Begin watch video for YouTube. You know the first with that, but this day you buy 200 naira, you don't reach all over the world. You have for Paris, Germany. You don't know it.
You know that time anybody we fit get we manage to buy phone.
Data,
we phone we be
like your phone don't come they browse again.
They watch video. You get money. You dey up there.
You get money.
Because the last time I see you perform this song for Rugged Man show for the foundation concert for Echo Hotel, you really raised the roof that day with the song. Your performance mad that day. I know, like your performance mad that day. You raised the roof well that day, and people just they shout. No, now I say now they call heat. Once a hit, always a hit. You understand? Once a hit, always a hit.
No, fun fact now say this the time when this song come out, I still dey Jos. So even for Jos, we hear no party where you go where be say you know go they hear Raise the Roof. Even if you no attend, the music where they play from there alone, you go hear them. That's back then. No, not just I hear this song.
So immediately, but your popsy come find and say they won't pay you that kind of money. You just come on hands. Okay, if you face this music 100%.
Now that kind of thing, you know, that are the leg work out. Once in a while, they hear me in the alarm. Begin alarm me to use in flatboot Mercedes Benz old school that time.
Okay.
They blast it. They get. I mean, there's you know future in this business. So you get you know. So but we thank you for everything basically. You know.
Okay, so before you go answer the then and now question, you get the then and now question what they ask, and then we'll come talk about your current song. You understand? And then going forward, but then we will see give people chance to follow you talk for phone call. By the way, if you want to send ask Jazzman a question, if you send question for WhatsApp 0908285887 0908285887. Of course, we're there for Instagram at Godwin Aruwayo. You go see Jazzman face, you go see Lady J, you go see me. What in your mind when you write these lyrics?
Sometimes I ask myself.
You don't know. But what is the meaning of?
Sometimes they ask myself.
Wait, tell me
okay.
That's what I said. The only time where I remember, we say I stand for. That time I still stay with Lexi that time.
Okay.
I did veranda. I just sit down. Something just enter my head. It just enter my head. It just enter my head just like that. I just
How the mood one at the record for studio for inside that Giga studio for studio Silver Point. How the mood be when they voice your vocal for this song?
The mood was. They started normal and it begin.
Can't they rise?
Because we can't see what they do. They talk it sound like normal thing. But once I recording, the thing begin build. Because they say this is big that is big Then when Aiba and I came, did his own part, he can't play him back. I didn't look like this is a big stuff for you know. You know, the when I carry him, one of my friends will listen to him and say, man, this maybe if you know go walk where who they mix rock music with Fuji.
With Fuji, yes.
I can't tell him say, but most I be, we just sample out. That time I could only afford to play only 11 CDs.
Now you print out that time.
And now my money rich. I can't put the 11 CDs. I can't put them inside bag. Enter bus. Come the radio station.
Go to drop
one by one, we give us. Let me play am. I go they give the CD. Go they beg the DJ. DJ say you go play. If you no play, no collect this CD.
Because you don't get plenty.
That's why I see one CD that time be like maybe like 1,500 per CD. And 1,500 that time be like 50K to us. To cut the CD self, you go wait. You know, no be now we be say you go
everything
just send down
email and all that.
WhatsApp. You go enter bus, you go waka. If you go waka go where the station dey, you know. So I can't just distribute the CD share, you know. I can't get
for the thing come blow. This person say tell us about that your first album we get this song. Boiling, he said you released with Kenny's music back then. How financially were you been signed with Kenny's?
No.
You not signed with Kenny's?
Yeah, I had just marketing deal.
Marketing deal with Kenny. Okay. Okay, so that album we get this song, Raise the Roof, how well did you do that time?
Well, it did. Let's just say we thank God. You know, that time there was no way to follow a lot of things. No structure that time. Even now.
So marketers we don't overchop you that time.
Overchop that time. They don't parade time. I go there somewhere. They go show me market the printed copies. My song go there compilation.
Population go do DJ mix, Alaba mix.
Alaba mix. What you go do? How many people you go beat for Lagos? How many DJ go beat? How many Alaba people go beat? So
Alaba mix. Okay, so that your generation now and generation of this them Fireboy, Joe Boy, wanted this generation now.
Yeah.
If God call you, say Jazzman come, I want to reverse everything. I want you choose, may you be Jazzman of the Jazzman that time when you day, you and then Two-Face, all of them, and all those people and that generation when work with them, OJB and all that. Or make I delay you, bring you for this generation of these young boys now. Which generation you choose?
Now, hard question. It had to for me. You know, say people where I grew up with in the music. If I say I want this generation, that means I want cancel out OJB. I want cancel out those moments with them, Passion Boys, all those things.
Yeah.
And those moments matter to me. They built me up to this level, so I'll choose
your generation.
I choose my generation.
Okay.
You know.
Now, the only person who don't choose this current generation, I think African China choose this generation.
Yes, I remember.
But you show T and the others, they choose their
own generation.
Like you said, choose your own generation that time. Okay, so you will prefer your own generation. So
people, you know, you see money and everything. Fine, this generation they're making a lot of money, fine. But at the end of the day, when money finish, people go remain. So people will deal with me from that time. They see deal with me
up to now.
Now, so it's hard for me to imagine say they don't exist. You understand?
Yeah.
Say they don't exist. You know. Me, I be a stubborn songwriter. I go one write my song, write and full story. I know if you do like most songs these days, you know, chorus and verse, they be the same thing.
Okay. you know, if you separate chorus from verse.
I repetition, go dey repeat time. And after about 2-3 months, they don't get tired. They ask you, okay, when are you
doing the next one?
Back in those days, you go write song, you go do people go remember say that. They are doing well now. Some of them are very fantastic writers. Even now, new generation that some doing fantastic job.
You got new song, Friends, and of course, you feature Gabriel. What do you call
Afolayan?
Now the same Gabriel Afolayan.
Yeah.
What's in the song there about Friends? Tell us.
Yeah, it's about excuse me. It's about learning to make person just try cheer himself up. Inside during the time happy way things they worry you, hang out with your friends, make sure ginger yourself, just day,
Yeah.
In togetherness, you can have enough power, enough strength to start all over again. Even the thing where you get don't even scatter. You get. And me, I benefited from having friends. God have gifted me with with friends in my life. You get? So I know the worth of having someone there, every now and then. If you feel like, if either you're happy, you're sad, you're whatever, now guys and your people now you see.
Yeah, somebody just sent me a message now. True, now Marvelous Benji now choose this generation. African China stay within generation.
Okay,
So he stay within generation. Now Marvelous Benji now choose this generation. Marvelous choose this generation. Okay, so the DJ
will take some messages.
Okay, before that, you just Google complete this song with it all. These friends who produced the song.
EXO.
Okay, so you get plan to do the video.
Yeah. Very soon.
Okay, so we'll play friends later, ladies. Just some people that ask questions there, Abi.
Yes, so afternoon, Naija FM. I really appreciate you guys doing great job. May God Almighty bless you.
Amen.
All real good. Also, Jazzman Olofin, it's been a very long time. I will hear from you. Well, I'm happy I heard your voice. Lord Almighty will guide you and your family in Jesus' name.
Amen. And yours
from
too.
Ben Jazzy. Jazzman, Baba, your song Omo Shalewa and Eko Ile na my favorite. What is your relationship with the late OJB from Gentle P?
Okay. OJB was my producer, a friend, a colleague, my buddy. Time. So.
Eko Ile, there are plenty that read inside. I remember that song. Eko Ile, don't see the. Okay, Daddy comes from Lagos. Now you get that song that time.
Yeah.
Now you get that Eko Ile. Now you get that song.
And I make that. They my second album. Second album titled Mr. Funky. I job with Storm Records.
Okay.
So Sasha did on it. Sasha was on it. GT Guitar Man was on the same track. Dari too. Then another lady. I've forgotten her name. She's not
Okay. I remember that song that time. I remember the video too.
Inkiru, yeah.
Okay. I remember the video too that time. Okay, so.
Okay, Olofin, Baba, I hello. Keep it up, my kitty brother. Good afternoon, Mr. Godwin and Auntie Lady J. This is Alabi from Ejigbo. More blessings, Jazzman Olofin. My question be say, who you go like feature among the singers of this era, male and female?
Yeah, if you get chance to do with one of these people down with the rave of the moment now.
I like Wande Cole.
Okay.
Wande Cole is a beautiful writer. He writes with ease. He write like say never knows saying he write. One day I tell him, I tell him, say man, say he's one of those people I feel like work with because he's so talented with lyrics. His lyrics is like no get limit. Sure you get when you just laugh say Baba, I leave that one job. I say man, one day you got big talents there. And when it comes to female, not to choose, but I like Tiwa Savage.
Okay. Wow.
I like Tiwa. They test all corners. Tiwa likes to flow all kind of flows. Bring it alive. Reggae, pop. Tiwa is game. I would like to work with that as well.
Okay, this one say my name now Jumi Gold. Good afternoon, Mr. Godwin and Lady J. Jazzy man, I greet you. I greet you. Long time, and where have you been all this year? No music for all again. My question they ask.
New music
day. Good afternoon, my Naija FM people. Greeting to Mr. Jazzman Olofin. We really miss you for the industry. I swear this is your song, na evergreen song. I boss Adewale Ayuba. Mother the song go Saka from Mushin.
Okay, man, take some comments on Instagram before we take phone go. Richard Akinshete, I like your outfit today, Mr. Godwin. Nice one, first voice. Thank you very much. I allow the DJ face show now. I go come cut her face for the camera, Abi. She did that. She know that. First voice, your face cap, mad. Thank you very much. Jazzman on Suman, plain black. Miss your flow, Jazzman. Momok _ Damola. This one. Mobi _ Jazzman the legend. Thank you very much. I am Sontag. Is Jazzman still doing music? Of course, he still doing music.
It be like so.
And then Godwin, I want to see Lady J. Lady J, bring your face. They want to see your face.
They want to see Lady J face. So
now, so that they do now.
They want to see your face.
Good afternoon, I got Godwin and Lady J. Shout out to Jazzman. Keep up the good work. Shout out. Okay. What was the experience like, Jazzman? This one are from Henry Frizzle. What was the experience like being involved with Kenny's music?
Yeah, it was interesting, No, they've been there from beginning. They're one of the pioneers of Nigerian recording labels. So it was good.
Okay.
You know.
Chima Okata say Mr. Godwin, Lady Jane, a fine woman. We know. And no be revelation, we already know. So I know who understand self. This one say Omokagbo Collins, first voice you too much. Thank you very much. Show Jazzman Baba. I don't the show and since you know they look. Mr. Godwin, let's see the Jazzman face now. Okay. We don't put on there. Say if they see Jazzman face now, Abi. I don't put Jazzman face there. Make I just rush through the remaining one. Okay. All of them already ask for your face. Most of them. I don't put them when I see them. It's a classic. I love it. Thank you very much. Okay. Blessings all the way, Jazzman. Okay. Thank you very much. I don't see on messages. Okay, Lady J, one or two. Just take one more message. Then we will take phone call 0700 1102. More allow one or two people follow Jazzman talk 0700 1102.
Hello, Naija FM. I beg, ask Jazzman. We say, waiting be the meaning of shuku shuku bam bam. Jazzman, I love you from CJ E-Money at Ogara, Delta State. What do you mean of shuku shuku bam bam?
Well, it just
That just
saying
that
music.
just
It's just saying the music.
that tautology. That just word.
Sure,
We
you
just
get.
talk to make
Like it is what we meet for music. Say we don't need anybody flow. It's like when you say hey baby, da. You know because I get that kind of flow. You know baby, da.
No, the one we have been asked now. Wait here. Meaning, it's bubble, coma, bubble.
the bubble that make it the bubble they go now.
Okay. Now that line I don't.
Then the other one, anybody
Where they vex, where they swear, where they vex. Yeah, go bust.
Make you go boss. Dakar Balo say Jazzman Baba respect. Okay. Who else did it? Okay, Mo will take for call 0700
You say not so.
1102.
Now only one I take.
Sorry, we will take you now. Oh yeah, take her now before we take
Oh God, Godwin, I bet help me ask this guy where him there all these years because I really miss him. Angel from Alagbado. They say me I ask you where you don't do all this and they don't miss you.
He did Planet
Yeah.
Earth, Lagos.
They planet Earth though, Lagos. If you Google me, I'm
They ask for freestyle. They say make you freestyle. Say make you freestyle for them.
We'll do that one later.
Okay, you don't hear him.
Okay, Mo will take phone call 0700 1102. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon, Baba Gote.
Yeah, what be your name? Where they call from?
Na J Fresh from Adjustment.
J Fresh, what be your question or comment? Sharp.
Baba Jazzman, that your raise what's everywhere. That
You raise the
Yeah,
good
I
boss
like
everywhere.
that song very well.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you,
Well
God.
done, nice one, Baba.
Yeah, thank
So
you.
this guy, you too.
I greet you too. How you day?
I think your miracle husband is home.
Amen.
Thank
Amen. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Ogbaje Samuel say greetings to Jazzman Olofin. I dey always reason your songs, most especially Raise the Roof. Bros, you too much. What I want even ask you, sir, Jazzman, this one say Richard King said Jazzman never change. Oh, this man no want old at all. Okay. Okay, Jazzman, I want to ask you, this your songs like Raise the Roof and all those stuff. If person still feel like getting them, then they're online. They're on all these online platforms. You don't put them for all these online platforms. Are they available for person to buy them? Somebody if you say won't buy your album, that your album now you get this one. Person if you say I'm buy
Yeah, he did there.
online.
Yeah, he did online.
Okay. That man said the thing the album there online. We'll take another call. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, caller. Waiting be your name. Where they call from?
Yes, I'm Richard. I'm
Okay.
first time.
Yeah, the first time. Okay, thank you very much. Talk to Jazzman.
Yes, Baba. Yes, Baba.
Yeah.
What you still remain the same way. 5 years ago, you could person you are. You don't want me to
No, then be Vampire Association of Nigerian Vampire Musicians. Jazzman.
Yeah, they say we vampires.
Sound Sultan, Tubaba, Rugged Man.
Now, so
Baba, you are smart.
thank you,
Thank
thank
you.
you, thank you very much. God bless
Okay.
you.
Don't drink the good music. We need you, Baba.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
We are looking forward to it.
Yeah, thank you so much.
All right. That's
All
one
right.
I love you.
Hey, hey,
I
my
remember,
guy.
I remember the last time.
For
Yeah. Yeah, bro.
yeah. Thank you for thanking me too.
I said thank you for thanking me.
All right.
We dey hail you too. Thanks for your call, eh?
Thanks for
so,
calling.
Jazzman, this is your new song now. Before we play, I'm using a Scotchy come out for studio. Friends, where you feature Gabriel Afolayan, it online now on online platform. People fit download and stream.
Yeah.
Okay, and of course you say you get plans for the video. Later. All right. Okay, Jazzman. So now this one we just dropped this friend, and I just one off on a beginning of something new. More would expect a body of work from you.
Yeah, it's beginning of something new. I'm working on my EP.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is one of the songs from
the EP.
From the EP. So
okay,
when I read it, the whole thing will drop.
Okay,
hopefully very soon.
Collabos good day for the EP.
Yeah, collabos good day.
Maybe the one day go with the talk feed inside eventually.
Who knows?
Hopefully.
Maybe he carry my call. Maybe
he got many. You don't decide how many tracks go to the EP.
I don't think it can be like maybe like 6, 7. It depending on now spirit guide me.
Okay.
If you reach 8, now spirit guide.
Okay.
You know.
Okay, so now Jazzman, before you come on, a lot of young people they listen to you now. Of course, they don't say you now already icon. You did that generation we start this new movement of Nigerian music, the current hip hop, letting people understand. Say if you do hip hop with our own language, with pidgin, mix everything. You even they mix both. You carry rock, mix them with Fuji and everything. So but what you go we advise on to young people where they aspire to become the next Davido, the next Whiskey, the next whatever. What you advise all those young people then what they do now?
Make them take their time, make them study music well, make them study well before they enter the whole thing. When they study well, listen to all kind of music, from studying, taking their time, they go film create their own kind of style, image of themselves. So that they do one off, just one song and that is that.
One hit wonder.
And the next song they are wearing another image. Just that there be confusion. Make them study the music very well. Make them listen. You learn when you listen to other people's music, old music. You get to understand why this song blow, why this one no blow. Understand how to even like take care of yourself as an artist with a good single out there. You have to be well behaved. Keep a level head. Make just let the whole thing enter your head.
Okay. Yeah, people they ask whether Konga not your junior brother Chuchu. And how not too? They for after year.
Long. No, Konga will be my junior brother, but he's a brother too.
Okay.
He's a brother too. As far as the business is concerned, he's a hardworking, young guy. So it's someone that I like to support once in a while.
Yeah. So you don't on social media. So just tell everybody your social media handles.
Yeah, my social media handle for Instagram. Now just Jazzman Olofin.
Okay.
For Facebook, now Jazzman Olofin.
Twitter
too. If you wake up one day too, now Jazzman Olofin too, you can see.
So they ask for freestyle. They mean you freestyle for them.
I go freestyle. I go do this.
Just sing something, anything.
I sing anything.
Just sing anything. No one dey stress Baba.
I think give me a topic I think about. Freestyle. No, the freestyle now for rapper. I be singer. I don't know how to start. Okay, where am I taking from? I cannot do any of my old song.
You fit do any of your old song. Anything, Sha. You just want to hear your voice.
Yeah, my voice. Okay. Omo, fine. You're so good, so sexy. You blow my mind, Lady J. Oh yeah, go sumo me no. Go tiẹ̀ bá mi fo. Flow with me, roll with me. Yes, care for your eyes, your looks. I'm almost to the lottery. Lady J, I will got the win, but boy, yet to fight.
Jazzman don't freestyle with our name. Jazzman, if we want to continue to talk, plenty things to talk about.
Yeah.
But thank you very much for coming and all that. I might ask you this one: how you feel and during the loss of OJB that time?
Yeah, everything be like everything be like saying thing nosedive. Everything just became a bit scattered. Sure you get but as person that time as they feel sad, feel confused that time. I said they want. Say maybe the way God plan out, now I know best. Maybe he gave him the opportunity to just work with the guy. I say, Baba God knows say, nothing. We won't be together like forever like that.
Yeah.
Sure you get, So for a long time I didn't record. I didn't record any music. I was just doing writing, and all that. But the time I just ginger myself, like say, okay, all the same,
What you go? How you go describe the relationship between artists of these days and our generation? Because a few ones who I don't talk to say sometimes it's difficult to relate with some of these young artists because maybe like you want them to do a song with you and all that. Some of them either they form like say they don't know the person or they give attitude or they give excuse, they dodge. Generally, you don't hear gist like that.
Yeah. They happen. I don't reach out to some artists who I go say, okay, I won't work with them. They go say, Papa, hey, no problem. Later on, the person could change, and they go pick calls again. They go want to. To me, we say, I think why some of them were just like, hey, oh yeah, let's go there. So I believe now it depends on that artist.
On the individual.
The day where I call that green, I do that. I do some I'm all fly, featuring that green. I do this song. People they tell me, I say I want to feature somebody else. They will say people were telling me, say make I feature that green. I say that green. I say I don't know that green now. All these small boys, very soon I go say who I be. I just someone give me number of that green. I just call him. He said hello. I said okay. I said I like to feature you on my song. Oh. He said, I said okay. He said who's this? He comes so he said how much you want to pay? I said I don't know. How much they charge you?
You know what tell who you be?
No. I said I don't know how much they charge. Because it will be this. I said Jazzman. Jazzman, let's go, Baba, let's go there. Baba, oh yeah, let's go. Sharp. You pay for studio. Sure you get, do this verse, fantastic and everything. Why song where I call? They could just, I think, sure you get. Some people know, some artists know how to handle fame. What goes up naturally come down, and when it comes down, it goes up again, depending on how you handle people. Why, some artists, some of them go on work with you with another artist, but maybe the manager, the groupie, the PA, maybe because commission no come for them, maybe the video tell the artist say I'm a bona, this and that. So, but eventually, all of us will get there. Soon they go know why they go reach level. We say they call. And that's way blow from their back here. Say, now come and do this work. Now say go bone them. You know, understand?
Yeah. Naturally, what you saw, you understand.
You read. I don't know why it's like that.
All right, Jazzman, thanks for coming. We wish you all the best. Of course, we're there on the friends matter.
Yeah.
I'll go easy and escort you to come off for studio now. Again, any final words you want to talk? I hear say you scatter Abuja when you go our sister station Classic FM event last week.
Yeah. What do you go do?
You go raise the roof.
You go raise the roof for there. Anywhere you go with it, you raise the roof. You raise the roof.
Raise the roof. So, okay, any final words you want to take before you come over studio?
No, just go. Just stay safe, play safe, And I wish you all the best, God's protection, whatever. I wish you all the beautiful thing you all wish yourself. I wish myself enough blessings too.
Yes.
I wish you blessings too. So,
all right.
love.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Jazzman Olofin. I don't carry my eyes see you after many years.
Jazzman featuring Gabriel Afolayan and they come next. The new jam which Jazzman just dropped, and I'm gonna talk very soon. We'll go see the EP, 6 or 7 track EP, and maybe 1 or 2 other collabos go there inside too. But Jazzman still they do music. Now the one of the first tracks from the EP where they come for front now be this one. The title Friends. And the feature Gabriel Afolayan inside. Enjoy him, and of course when we come back we continue with Workchop with Godwin and Lady J and live on top
Naija FM 102.7. No change the dial.